Hello, Inca students. Welcome back to school. A special welcome to those of you who are brand new to our school, and an extra special welcome to you returning to school. And an extra special welcome to middle school. We are happy to have you. So my name is Amanda Stevens. I will be your teacher of record for this school year. Which means I take care of your paperwork and make sure your IEP is up to date. Some basic things about me. This is my 11th year of teaching. This is my 5th year of online. I'm married. I have one son. I am available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. My contact info is on the teacher homepage, or my phone number is 317-759-1685. We're using Google Voice this year, so make sure that you save my number because I've heard that it comes up as spam. My primary focus is going to be reading and writing, but I will help you with whatever work you need help with. Middle school is a time where we have to step up our game a little bit. So some tips for being successful in middle school. You will have to write some things down. If you are not a writer, what I suggest is taking some screenshots and saving those notes in a folder. Keep yourself organized. Create folders for each subject that you have on your computer. One thing I have done to help learning support students be successful is create guided notes. I will send a separate email explaining those because they are a lot to digest. These are available only for learning support students. The Padlet, where we will house our modified portfolios, our guided notes, and our teacher info, and some resources for students, will be on that 6th grade learning support Padlet. If you're new to Inca this year, learning support is another word that we use interchangeably for students who have special education services. Another tip that I like to give people is if you are a struggling reader, if you don't like to read, or you get tired of reading, download the text reader. It will read your lessons to you. I have attached instructions on how to download and how to use that feature in this PowerPoint, and I will also send it in a separate PowerPoint as well. You will also need a word processing software. We do have papers that we type in middle school. So I highly recommend Google Drive, where you can get Google Slides, which is sort of like PowerPoint. You can get Google Docs, which is like Microsoft Word, sort of similar. What I like about Google Drive, if you've never used it, and Google Docs, is it saves, and you don't have to constantly save your work. It's housed all in one place. You can make folders. I live off of my Google Drive right now. There are other free word processing softwares, and I have those listed. Make sure you get on a schedule. Kids thrive on a schedule. It's helps them stay healthy, and I understand we can't all be on a schedule. I definitely understand we all have opportunities and challenges that gotta do what we gotta do. You have the entire day to get your work done. So, take as many breaks as you need. Just know, once any work that's not done for that day doesn't get done, it's going to go on to the next day. So you don't want to get behind. You want to stay on top of your lessons. Each lesson should take about an hour to complete. At the top, for you brand new students, if you look at your planner, I like to do the weekly view. So up here in the top right corner, there are 3 words that says month, day, and week, I believe. I like to click on the week so I can see what I've got going on for the entire week. On the top are your lessons, and on the bottom are your live lessons. So what I suggest is you write down every day what live lessons you have. And that way, if you're working hard on something, you can look up and say, oh, okay, I got to be somewhere in about 5 minutes, and keep track of those things. What else? On Fridays, all learning support students will come to homeroom with myself and Miss Branda. Miss Branda, you may know her from last year. She moved up to 6th grade with us. We will have announcements on Fridays. We will make sure to give you updates. We will let you know of any changes, any other general announcements. Parents and learning coaches, you are welcome to attend any and all classes, and I encourage you to do so. I found that when I was attending classes, it helped me know more of the content and what was going on. I am excited for a wonderful year with you and your students. Thank you for sharing your students with us. Please feel free to contact me at any time. If I don't answer for some reason, I'm in a meeting or I am teaching, or I am with students, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So again, thank you for sharing your students with us, and I look forward to a great year.